how does a car work? How does an engine work? Because an awful lot of people don't seem to understand what happens under the bonnet. Now don't worry, I'm not going to go into lots and lots of technical detail. I'm just going to talk about how the actual engine works. And I've got here a little cutaway model of, it's actually a 4-stroke engine, but it's been cut away at the front to show you what happens inside an engine. Now you can see there's something here that is called the piston. This is a really, really tiny one. Cars of course have much bigger ones. There can be multiples of pistons, so you can have 1 or 2 or 4 or 8 or however many, depending on the size of the engine. And the piston, as I said, this will all be sealed up. The piston is inside something called the cylinder. And then on top, you see that? That, mostly you'll probably know this, that's the sparking plug. Now, if I wind the handle in the back, try and get it the right way around, you can see the piston is moving. And this is what happens. This is what actually how an engine produces power. This is how the internal combustion engine, the petrol engine, works. It's a 4-stroke cycle, but you can simplify it down into basically 4 words. So the first one is suck. Now, as the piston comes down, it sucks a mixture of petrol and air into the space above in the cylinder. And it's sucking those in through these valves on the top. It then continues on its cycle and it compresses the mixture right up to the top. So you've got suck and then squeeze. Now the next bit, this is where our sparking plug comes in, because that produces a spark, and as we all know, petrol is highly inflammable, and that mixture of petrol and air basically produces an explosion. So the third word is bang! And then the force of the explosion pushes the cylinder down, and then it comes back up again, and what it needs to do now is to get rid of the waste gases. So it's coming back up and it's pushing the exhaust out of the cylinder, and of course that goes through the system and emerges at the exhaust pipe at the back of your car. So, in very, very simple terms, the internal combustion engine is suck, squeeze, bang, blow. That's basically about all there is to it. What I'm going to do now, we've got a cutaway here, and this is a type of car called a Humber Super Snipe. It's interesting on this, it was actually, we think, produced by the Roots Corporation as a demonstration model for the 1939 Earl's Court Motor Show. That never happened because a little thing called World War II got in the way. So by the time the motor show recommenced in 1948, this was out of date. So it was actually donated by Roots to the Police Training College at Hendon as a cutaway model to instruct policemen in the workings of a car. And at some point Haynes acquired it, and it's a wonderful, wonderful cutaway model. I'm going to dive around the other side and press the button.